Hello student, uh, this video is for class 7 and this is the continue of the chapter number 20. Today I want to discuss about the circle, means circumference and area of a circle. This video is for class 7. Subject is maths and this is the continue of the chapter number 20, mensuration. And this is the part 3rd. Today I am going to discuss about the circle. Circumference and area. See, you all know that this is a circle and we can draw a circle with the help of radius. Without radius or without this line segment, we are not able to draw the circle. And for drawing circle, we can use compass and scale. Scale is helpful for taking the radius and compass is able to draw the circle. So now this is a circle and this is the radius. Radius is represented by letter R and this is diameter. If the chord divides the circle in two parts and passes through the center, then it is a diameter, and diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle which divides the circle in two equal halves. So this is diameter from here to here. Now what is the relation between radius and diameter? So the diameter is equal to 2 times radius, means diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. This is the relation between radius and diameter. Okay, now come to the point. I write here diameter is equal to 2r or r is equal to d upon 2. Okay, now come to the point circumference. Okay, first I tell you what is circumference. Circumference is the outer boundary of the circle, and circumference is same like the perimeter, but circle we can use circumference, not perimeter. So you all know that what is perimeter. So the circumference is the total length of the boundary. So there is a formula for the circumference. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d. This is pi, this is pi, and this is pi, and pi is equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. This is the two value we can use for the pi. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. You can use either of these value, or sometime the value of pi is given in the question also. Now there is two formula for the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. We know that d is equal to 2r, so it will be pi d also. So if the diameter is given, you can directly calculate the circumference of the circle with the help of pi d, and if the radius is given, then you can use the circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Now, you know that the space enclosed by the circle is called area. You all know that the space enclosed by the circle is called area. So the formula for area of circle is equal to pi r square. Clear? Means pi, you know that this is pi, and value for pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. That is given in the question, or you can use your own. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. Clear? And the area is basically the space enclosed within a circle. And one more thing I want to tell you, this pi is equal to circumference. Circumference upon diameter. Then pi is equal to we get a value 22 upon 7 approx, or 3.14 approx. This is the nearby or approxed value for the pi, and pi is equal to circumference upon diameter. Now let us see some examples to understand how we calculate it. Suppose question example number 1. Find the circumference of circle of radius 10.5. Find circumference of a circle with radius 10.5. And one more thing I want to tell you, the plural of radius is radii. The plural of radius is radii. Okay. So find the circumference of a circle with radius 10.5. Solution, radius is equal to 10.5. So circumference is equal to, the radius is given, so you can use 2 pi r. So 2 pi r means 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 10.5. If you want to remove this decimal, you can remove it, or you can use the decimal for the calculation. You can do the same. This number is divisible by 7, means 7 ones are and 15, means 15 sevens are 105. Okay, now you cut it with 5 threes are and 5 twos are. You cancel this with 2. Now it is 22 times 3, means 3 twos are 6 and 3 twos are 6. 66 is the 66 centimeter. You can write the unit like this, centimeter, not square. Square we can use for area. So the circumference of a circle is 66 centimeter. (66 centimeter) is the answer, or 66 centimeter is the circumference of circle. Now Now example 3, when the diameter is given, means you have to find the diameter. See, find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is given. Circumference is 26.4 centimeter. The question is, find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 26.4 centimeter. So you can use the either formula, circumference of circle is equal to, you can directly find, or you can use 2 pi r, or you can use pi d also. So the circumference is 26.4. So I can use this 2 pi. So it will be 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r. So it's 26.4 into 7 upon 2 into 22. If you want to remove the decimal, you can, or if you want to solve like this, you can, or this is this. So, and you can reduce the number by 2, it 1, 3, 2, and 1, 32 is divisible by 11. So 11 ones are and 11 twos are. You can cancel this is 2. 2 times, this is 6. So r is equal to 6 into 7 upon 10. So it is 42 upon 10, which is equal to 4.2 centimeter. And now you have to find the diameter. So diameter is equal to 2r. So it will be 2 multiplied by 4.2, which is equal to 8.4 centimeter. Now see the solution. Find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 26.4 centimeter. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, or you can use pi d also. So the circumference is 26.4 is given. So which is equal to 2 pi, 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r. You can shift this number to the LHS side, means 7 is 22 upon 7, 7 is divide, so it will multiply with 26.4, and the number which multiply become the divisible for 26.4. So you can sign change. Now the radius is equal to 6 into 7 upon 10, which is equal to 4.2. And then you can easily find diameter is equal to 2r, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 4.2, which is equal to 8.4 centimeter. Now there is a good example. I want to discuss this example with you. Example number 4. See, the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 18 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. So let the radius be r centimeter. Clear? Let the radius be r centimeter, and we know that circumference is equal to 2 pi r and diameter is equal to 2r. diameter is equal to 2r, and the question is the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 18 centimeter. It means the difference between the circumference and diameter is equal to 18. So 2 pi r minus 2r. 2r. Now you can, which is equal to 18. Just you can take 2r as a common. So this is pi minus 1, which is equal to 18. And we know that first we transfer, if you want to transfer 2 from here, so you can, no problem. And you can write down the value 27 upon 7 minus 1 here, and you can do this like 9. Now 22 upon 7 minus 1 is equal to 22 minus 7 upon 7, which is equal to 15 upon 7. 15 upon 7. So r bracket 22 upon 7, or you can write this directly, is equal to 9. So it will be, which is equal to 9. Now r is equal to 9 multiplied by 7 upon 15. You can cancel 9 and 15 with 3. This is 3 and this is 5. So it will be 21 upon 5. So the radius is equal to 4.2 centimeter. This is the very good question, and I think this is important also for you all. So I repeat the question once again. The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 18. Find the radius of the circle. In this question, only the difference of the circumference and diameter is given. So let the radius be r centimeter. So the circumference is equal to 2 pi r and the diameter is equal to 2r. So circumference minus diameter is equal to 18. So 2 pi r minus 2r is equal to 18. You just take out the common 2r, then in the bracket pi, and here 2r is already common, so in place of 2r is 1. So you can put the value of pi, this is 22 upon 7 minus 1. And you can transfer 2 to the another side also. If you want to solve it at the last, you can. So I just transfer this to other side. Now it becomes 19. So r pi minus 7 is equal to 9. So r multiplied by 15 upon 7 is equal to 9. Now now transfer 15 upon 7 to the other side. It will be r is equal to 9 times 7 upon 15, which is equal to 21 upon 5. And we just divide it, then get an answer. 4.2. 4.2 is the radius of the circle. So I think everyone clear with circumference. In the next video, I will tell you about the area related to circle, basically the area of the circle. Now in this video, I think the circumference is clear to all. Now in the second video, I will tell you about the area of the circle.